Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in our previous video we have seen arguments in expression in a very thorough way. So if you guys haven't seen that video, please go check it out. And so in today's video we're gonna see swapping in Python. By swapping I mean swapping of variable in Python. So without further ado, let's get started. So for example, let's say we have variable a which is storing 6, okay, and there there is an another variable b which is storing 7, okay. So what if we want to swap, means what if we want to exchange the value of both a and b, means putting the value of a in b and putting the value of b in a. So you might be thinking that let's we can do by this one also, b and b is equal to a, okay. You might be thinking it's so easy, right? But it's not that easy because what it will do, we are storing b's value in a, okay. By doing this we are storing b value in a, means we are storing 7 in a, okay. And here when the value of a is 7, because the interpreter will go from 4th line to 6th line where a's value will be 7. So here a value is 7 and b is storing a, means it's storing 7. And let me show you, there will be no change, okay. Here we go, 7 and 7. Why? Because we have stored the value of a in b, okay. Like we have stored the value of b in a, means by the answer we are getting, we can see this clearly that we are getting 7 7, and what we expected that here's a value of a is 6 and here's a value of b is 7, and we want to make it reciprocal, like we have to want change it, okay. We want a as 7 and b as 6, but here we got a also 7 and b also 7. Why? Because while swapping, we always need a third variable to store the value, because as I have told you, in A we are storing the value of B, okay, and what B is having 7, so we are storing A in 7, we are printing A 7, okay, done. But now when the interpreter comes on this line, on 7th line, it's printing, and by till here now a is holding the value 7 and b is storing the variable a, so it will also show you 7. And what we want the actual swapping. So what we'll do, we will take a third variable which is called c, okay, c. So we'll store a in third variable c, means storing 6 in C, okay. Then A is equal to B, means storing 7 in A, okay. And then wait a minute, and then oh sorry, and then B is equal to C. Now I'll let me explain you by line. C is storing a, which means C is storing 6, and now here a is storing b, which is 7, a new value. And now in third line, which means sixth line, interpreter is getting b, a variable b which is storing the value of c, and in starting we have seen c is storing the value of 6, okay. Let's print it again and let's see what will get the output. Wow. So we got the answer. Print a, A we are getting 7, where we can see A is 6, but we are getting the swapped value. And here B is holding the value 7, but here after printing we are getting 6. So as you can see, we are getting the clear output when we have successfully swapped the variables. So I hope you guys understood how swapping works in Python, and you like this video. And if you actually like this video and loved my explanation, so please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and please do hit the like button, because it encourage us to make such beautiful videos. And please comment down below if you like this video, and if you dislike this video, please hit that dislike button too, because it shows us that where we are getting wrong. And please do follow us on Instagram, where we put such relatable contents, and uh, if any opportunities come, we always update there. So please have a look on there.